Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your SOUNDCORE Liberty 5. So, as you can see here, I have the Timo cleaner that actually, as you can see, is now broken for some couple of dollars. Doesn't matter. Here now we have this cleaner, and what I want to do is I do recommend to buy some similar cleaner, maybe not the same one. I do recommend some that work, but I do recommend buying this cleaner. If you don't want to buy anything, just prepare yourself some brush and maybe some alcohol. Now we should be all good. At first, open the case and remove both earbuds out of the case. Take the alcohol and try to spray some alcohol on this brush. Once done, wipe the inside of the case over here. It stinks so much, I hate this stink. Doesn't matter. Now, once you deep clean this place, you should be all done. You can use, apart from the brush, you can maybe use some less, as you can see, less, maybe not less, more durable brush and more hard brush. This should be helpful actually. After doing that over here, let's move to this thing over here. This is the place where you open and close the case, and it can be damaged over time. So, if you do have some, maybe not oil, I mean, yes, maybe some oil. In Poland we call this WD-40, WD-40. If you do have something similar, you can try to delicately give it sprayed over here, this brush, maybe another one, and wipe it over here. But before, wipe it with this same brush with the alcohol. Then use some spray, oily spray, and here, wipe it here. WD-40. Once it's cleaned, let's move to the charging port. Spray the same amount of alcohol in this brush and wipe the charging port. Without strength, of course, and don't use the metallic tools over here. It can break the inside of the case. Now, once it's done, move to the earbuds. Here, actually, you can use the same tactic, but at first, you can just try to take off the ear tips. If you want to take a look over some more detailed tutorial of how to remove the ear tips, we'll have it on our channel. So once the tip is removed, you can just clean here the speaker grill, your earbud, the sensors, etc. Just do the same deep cleaning with the same brush as you have done this, but of course clean. Now we can close this all, put the ear tip on the grill, and now let's put the earbuds inside the case. Now these are all done. If you want to clean the ear tips, don't use water, and maybe use only, maybe not metallic tool, but something that you can just remove the dirt from. And if you want to, but only if you want to, use the same amount of alcohol, maybe less, even less amount of alcohol. And that should be all for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.